Conservation of momentum. The law of conservation of momentum states that the total momentum of two or more objects acting upon one another will not change, provided there are no external forces acting on them. Let us discuss this law with the help of example. Consider two bodies A and B of masses ma and mb, and they are traveling in the same direction along a straight line with different velocities ua and ub respectively. There is no external unbalanced force acting on them. Before collision, ua is greater than ub. Suppose that these two bodies collide with each other as shown here for time t. During collision, the body A exerts a force FAB on body B, and the body B exerts a force FBA on body A. Let us consider VA and VB are the velocities of two bodies A and B respectively after collision. So, force exerted by A on B is given by FAB, which is equal to rate of change of momentum of A, which is expressed as MA VA minus UA upon T. Likewise, force exerted by B on A is given by FBA, which is equal to rate of change of momentum of B, which is expressed as MB VB minus UB upon T. As we know that according to Newton's third law of motion, to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Means action and reaction are exactly opposite to each other. So, they can be expressed as FAB is equal to minus FBA, which is equal to MA VA minus UA upon T is equal to minus MB VB minus UB upon T. Now, we can cancel T because it is a common factor. After simplification, we will get MAUA plus MBUB is equal to MAVA plus MBVB. Means total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. Hence, we have learned that the total momentum of two bodies is conserved provided no external force acts on them. This proves the law of conservation of momentum.